Here's Martha.
So meanwhile, the number of Obamacare enrollees is reportedly still very low, and it's still somewhat a mystery as to how many of them are actually out there. Open enrollment, as you know, started on October 1, so it's been a little over a full month now. And officially, the White House has not released any hard numbers on this. They say those will come probably in the middle of November. But according to the documents that were released by the Oversight Committee, only 6 people signed up on day 1. And that number, as you know, was a huge headline on Friday. The next day, they say it went up to 248 people. And most of those people who successfully signed up were not paying for the new plans at all. They were enrolling in Medicaid by huge numbers in terms of how out of whack that part of this is. Stuart Varney joins me now, host of Varney & Company on Fox Business. So, Stuart, I mean, these are nowhere near the numbers that we heard were needed to make this thing solvent.
That is precisely right, Martha. Insurance spreads the risk. You need the biggest pool possible with as much money as possible. That's why under Obamacare, everybody's got to have insurance. They want your money. Now, if young, healthy people don't pay into this system, there's not much money going in. If a lot of older, sicker people go into the system, they're taking a lot of money out. Now, if those young people don't front up and put money, real money, into this system, then they're going to be taking very little out, but others are taking a lot out, so insurers have to raise their premiums, raise the cost of the insurance that they're offering, so fewer people enroll. That's the death spiral, and things are not going well at this moment.
Yeah, and so many of the people, as we said, you know, who are coming in for free care. I mean, and you can understand why. They're the ones who would have the best motivation to log on and try to get some.
That's right. That's the other side of the coin. Headline in the New York Times today, millions eligible for free policies under the CARE Act. And that's on top of the Medicaid people who are getting it totally free. That means the government has to be putting in, the taxpayer has to be putting in a lot more money because it's being given away for free or at a huge subsidy. So both sides of the fence here not working. Yeah. Young, healthy people not putting their money in, a lot of people getting it for free, so the taxpayer has to put a lot of money in. It's just not workable at this point.
And wouldn't that cost, if it has to be pushed somewhere, it would be pushed on to the insurance companies who would pass it along to paying customers, right?
Precisely, which raises their premiums, which means that fewer people enroll. It's just a vicious circle that's going round and round and round. It's not working, Martha.
Yeah, all right. Well, boy, people were sort of sputtering all over the place on this over the weekend on all of the Sunday shows. It was, you know, it was like a gasket was blowing across the networks over the course of the conversation here. So we'll see where this is going. We're going to talk a lot about it this week. Stuart, thank you. Good to see you as always.